So now we will discuss the next example. This is cyclopropane ring. This Cl is lying above the plane. This hydrogen is lying below the plane. These are Ha. Suppose this is Ha, this is Hb. This will be called as Hc and this is Hd. Now you have to find out the relationship between Ha, Hb, Hc, Hd, and this is, let us suppose, He. So if we do it like this is Cl, this is hydrogen. Cl is lying above the plane, hydrogen is lying below the plane. These are two hydrogens. Two hydrogens are lying above the plane like this, and there are two hydrogens which are lying below the plane. If let us suppose C2 axis is present from here, if you pass an axis from here which is passing through the center from here and which will pass from here. If you apply C2 axis from this, then what will happen? This is 90-degree rotation, this is 180-degree rotation. See once again, if you pass axis from here, from the center, so from the center you are rotating the molecule at an angle of 180 degree. This rotation is 90 degree and this rotation is 180 degree. So this chlorine which was present above the plane, now this has gone below the plane. So it means C2 axis of symmetry is not present. Similarly, if you pass the axis from here you are rotating it at an angle of 180 degree. So these will become like this and then these will go like this. So this is again one C2 axis of symmetry, it means is not present. C2 is not present. Now C2 is not present from here and C2 is not present from here. So if C2 axis of symmetry is not present, then we look for the presence of plane of symmetry. This is chlorine, this is hydrogen. If you pass a plane from here, which is cutting this chlorine, this carbon and this hydrogen, plane will pass from here. These will be cut into two parts. But what is the relationship between this hydrogen and this hydrogen? These two hydrogens are reflected by the plane of symmetry. Plane of symmetry is passing from here. This and this are mirror images of each other. This hydrogen and this hydrogen are also mirror images of each other. It means Ha and Hc are enantiotopic protons. Hb and Hd are also enantiotopic protons. So it means Ha and Hc, since these are reflected by the plane of symmetry, it means these are enantiotopic. Similarly, Hd and Hb, these are also reflected by plane of symmetry, so these are also enantiotopic protons. Now, what is the relationship between this proton Hc and Hd with respect to this chlorine? This proton is cis with respect to chlorine and this proton is trans with respect to chlorine. It means this and this, these are geometrical isomers. So it means a relationship between this and this. These are, one is cis with respect to Cl, other is trans with respect to Cl. It means Hc and Hd, these are diastereotopic protons. Similarly, Ha, Ha is cis with respect to this. This is trans with respect to this. It means Ha and Hb are also diastereotopic protons. So in this manner, you can find out whether the protons are similar protons, all these are bisected by the plane of symmetry, or the protons are reflected by the plane of symmetry. Now we will discuss few more examples of the cyclic compounds. This is a 5-membered ring. You have to find out the relationship between Ha, Hb. This methyl is present above the plane. This is Hd. This is present above the plane, CH3, and this hydrogen is present below the plane. So this is the molecule cyclopentane. This is like this. This methyl is lying above the plane. This is also above the plane. These hydrogens are lying below the plane. This hydrogen is above the plane and this hydrogen is lying below the plane. So, ਜਦੋਂ ਵੀ ਆਪਾਂ cyclic systems ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ, whenever we rotate these molecules at an angle of 180 degree, then the group which was initially present on the front, this will go on the back side, and the group which was present initially on the back side will come on the front side. So, if we pass the C2 axis from here, is the center to nikle, ਇੱਥੇ ਤੋਂ ਨਿਕਲ ਜਾਏ. If C2 axis is present ਇੱਥੇ, so what will happen? This rotation is 90 degree rotation and this rotation is 180 degree rotation. So क्या हो गया? शुरू ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ these two methyl groups were present above the plane, this hydrogen and this hydrogen. If you pass a plane from here, this is 90, this is 180 degree. Now these two methyl groups, these are now present on the back side. So the initial structure and the final structure, these cannot be superimposed. It means the C2 axis of symmetry is absent. So if you pass C2 axis from here, so this total part will come on this side and this will flip. This will flip like this. So after passing C2 axis, it becomes like this. CH3, which was present above the plane, now this will go below the plane. Or I can show it like this, CH3. So this hydrogen which was present below the plane, now this will go above the plane. This methyl which was present above the plane, now this will be present below the plane. And this hydrogen, this is initially below the plane, this will move above the plane. And these hydrogens will be interchanged. HB was present above the plane. Here HB will be below the plane and HA will come above the plane. So if you try to superimpose these two structures, you cannot superimpose this because this methyl which is below the plane, here this is above the plane. It means in this molecule C2 axis of symmetry is absent. If C2 axis of symmetry is absent, it means these protons HA, HB, this methyl, C and D, these are not homotopic. These are not homotopic. These are not identical protons. So now if you pass a plane of symmetry, plane of symmetry is कितने तो पास होएगा plane of symmetry जो इसको दो equal parts से विचो divide करे. If you pass a plane from here, इसके center चो निकल के इसके center दे विच आ जाए. This plane, ਇੱਥੇ तो plane pass करो. ये plane क्या करेगा? इसनों center ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ cut कर देगा like this. Center ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਇੱਥੇ तो plane pass करोगे. This plane will cut these into two parts. This part and this part are mirror images of each other. It means plane of symmetry is present. ਇੱਥੇ तो plane ਨਿਕਲਿਆ, center ਚੋਂ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੋਇਆ ਇੱਥੇ center, ਇੱਥੇ ਇੱਕ mirror ਰੱਖ ਦੋ. So this mirror will cut this into two equal parts. These hydrogens will also be cut into two equal parts. ਇਹਦੀ ਇੱਧਰ reflection ਪਏਗੀ, ਇਸਦੀ ਇਸ side ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ reflection ਪਏਗੀ. इसका मतलब A वाला proton और A वाला proton which are bisected by the plane of symmetry. So what is the relationship between this and this? These two protons are diastereotopic in nature. This hydrogen and this hydrogen, these are reflected by the plane of symmetry. So the relationship between this and this hydrogen is enantiotopic. This methyl group and this methyl group, these are also reflected by plane of symmetry. So these are enantiotopic in nature. So it means HC and HD, since these are reflected by the plane of symmetry, so these are enantiotopic protons. HA and HB, these are bisected by the plane of symmetry, so these are diastereotopic protons. Both the methyl groups, these are also reflected by the plane of symmetry, these will be enantiotopic. Now the next example is this. This is present below the plane. On this side is present above the plane. This hydrogen is above the plane. This hydrogen is below the plane. This is C, this is D, this is A and B. So the structure is similar, जो पहला की थी, except the position of these. See, this methyl group अच्छा जी, so this molecule is like this. This methyl group is present below the plane. This methyl group is present above the plane. So if you rotate from here, if you pass the axis from here, so from here, from the center, इत्थे तो axis निकल रहा है, जो केड़ा axis है, ये वाला axis, इस axis तो इत्थे तो निकल गया. सो अगर इस इमेजिनरी एक्सिस तो आप इसनू देखो, हुण इत्थे मिथाइल कित्थे प्रेजेंट है, बिलो द प्लेन. इस दे विच मिथाइल कित्थे प्रेजेंट है, अबव द प्लेन. रोटेट इट. दिस रोटेशन इज 90 डिग्री रोटेशन and further 90 degree like this. So this methyl group below the plane, this methyl group is present above the plane. So same geometry aa gayi, same structure aa gayi. So if you pass a C2 axis from here, C2 axis from here, so it will look like this. These two hydrogens, this hydrogen which is present above the plane, this will go below the plane, this is below the plane, this will come above the plane. पूरा इदा invert होएगा molecule, flip होएगा इदा इदा. This methyl group which was present above the plane, so this will go below the plane. This hydrogen which was present below the plane, above the plane चला जाएगा. और this methyl group which was present below the plane, इस side दे उत्ते आके above, this is below. So if you try to superimpose this on this, it means these will be superimposed. It means C2 axis of symmetry here is present. If C2 axis of symmetry is present, it means the relationship between HA and HB, these will be homotopic. Relationship between this methyl and this methyl, these are also homotopic. This HC and HD are also homotopic protons. One last example. HC, this is HD, this is, let us suppose, HA, this is HB. So if you pass the C2 axis of symmetry from here, what will happen? पूरा पार्ट फ्लिप हो जाएगा. जो इस साइड पे सी वो इस साइड पे चला जाएगा, जो इधर है वो नीचे तो होके ऊपर आ जाएगा, और जो इतने अबव द प्लेन सी वो बिलो द प्लेन चला जाएगा, जो बिलो द प्लेन सी वो अबव द प्लेन आ जाएगा. क्या बन जाएगी स्ट्रक्चर? HB अबव द प्लेन, इस साइड के उत्ते जाके बिलो द प्लेन, बिलो द प्लेन इस साइड पे आ जाएगा, अबव द प्लेन. सो HD फ्लिप होके उस साइड ते बिलो द प्लेन सी अबव द प्लेन, ए अबव द प्लेन सी हुण ये बन गया बिलो द प्लेन. सो this can be superimposed on this. It means C2 axis of symmetry is present here. If C2 axis of symmetry is present, then the relationship between the protons is homotopic. It means HA and HB protons are homotopic. HC and HD protons are also homotopic in nature. So, in order to find the number of signals in any organic compound, you have to find out the relationship between those protons. If the protons are homotopic, then these will give one signal in NMR spectroscopy. And if the protons are enantiotopic, even the enantiotopic protons also give the same signal. These are not different from one another. Only the diastereotopic protons will give different signals in NMR spectrum. So this is the usefulness of these protons. You must be thinking why we are doing this process, finding out the relationship between the type of protons. So if the two protons can be interchanged by passing a C2 axis of symmetry, then the protons will be homotopic. If the C2 axis of symmetry is not present, then you will check for the presence of plane of symmetry. If the two protons are bisected by the plane of symmetry, then the protons are said to be diastereotopic. Diastereotopic protons give different signal in NMR spectrum. If the two protons are reflected by the plane of symmetry, then the protons are said to be enantiotopic. Enantiotopic protons give similar signal in NMR spectroscopy. So reflection means, reflection का मतलब क्या है? Once again I want to tell you. So if this is the molecule, if you are passing the plane from the center, plane हमेशा two dimensional ਹੁੰਦਾ है, दो axis ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਨਿਕਲੇਗਾ, जैसे जिਵੇਂ this axis is x, this is z, और इससे perpendicular जो axis है y. This mirror plane will lie in yz plane. So yz ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ अगर एक mirror निकलेगा, this will be reflected here, this will be reflected here. So these two protons are reflected by the plane of symmetry. Then this is the relationship between these two protons will be enantiotopic. और अगर ऐदा हुंदा कि plane ਇੱਥੇ ਤੋਂ pass कर दे, then this plane will cut this hydrogen and this hydrogen into two parts. So these protons are bisected by the plane of symmetry. In this case, this axis of symmetry, which is these two protons, are enantiotopic. These are not diastereotopic. I'm just telling you that if plane passes from here, this plane will divide this whole thing into two equal parts. What is the meaning of this? I just see. If this is oxygen, this is hydrogen, this is hydrogen. Let us suppose I have kept a plane here. So this is A, this is B. So क्या होएगा? These atoms are supposed to be spherical in nature. So this plane will cut this into two parts. These. This hydrogen is present here. This hydrogen is present here. So mirror is present here. This is reflected here. मतलब this is mirror image of this. This is mirror image of this. So this is the meaning of plane of symmetry present in the molecule. In the next lecture, I will take examples of the organic compound and we will find out how many signals will be present in the organic compound. So number of signals which will be present in the organic compound will be the number of different types of protons which are present. What is the meaning of different types of protons? The protons which are which are present in different chemical environment. So those protons will give different signals in NMR spectrum. And the protons which are present in similar chemical environment, those protons will be magnetically equivalent and these will give similar signal in NMR spectrum.